Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a text box to your picture on the Polish application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and tap on the create button, then select the picture. Then you should slide to the right side of the screen down below and tap on the text button. Here you should drag the text box and place it to the relevant place you want to, and then you should simply type in your text. You can change the font by tapping on the AA button. You have a bunch of font options here. You can also choose the color of your text. Here you have a bunch of options. These patterns, labels can be added as well as the borders. Then you can also add shadows. Select degree of the shadow, then the character and line too. By tapping on the ABC button you can do these shapes. If you are done with it, tap on the check mark icon, and basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.